look at some of the long-term nature of some of the instruments that the insurance industry offers or delivers to market. If you're not in a stable long-term employment situation, it is difficult to get into a mentality that is long-term in nature, which would witness your buying products which fit. The fact that I have some RAs, life insurance and all of those things is reflected with the fact that I expect to be able to, over time, to fund those things. There's a questioning of why black people tend to buy funeral products and other things more than they tend to buy life insurance and investment products and what have you. It's because on the whole that's what's available in those predominantly black environments to be bought and to be sold. We call them the should I die people who sell funeral policies. That's what they're called in some township environments. But the mere presence of those people meant that there was a recognition of a need. So up until the need is recognized and we structure things to be able to suit the needs of the markets that we're serving, there will be limited uptake. And I think there's a general dissaving culture in South Africa in any case which needs visitation, because if you think of the kind of society that we were, where there was a lack of certainty about tomorrow, who's going to save for tomorrow? And who's going to plan for tomorrow when they don't know whether they're going to be around? You have to think of the things that people do buy are things which are available to them, are marketed to them, and which therefore form part of what they think of as being a part of a life well lived, or a life that they want to live. So we have to get our products into that consideration so that they feature and assume the importance of a car, a house, clothing, food, and all of those other things that people plan and account for in doing their budgeting scenario. Because we're not saying that people should come to us. We'll go to them in terms of saying here are the products, and also structuring products that suit lifestyle needs, and looking at a mix of short, medium, and long-term instruments that people can purchase.